Welcome to the video, guys. Bigpapee, 8760, out and about. Caravana weekend. I'm at King and Batters. Going to Caravana. We'll give you guys some videos and stuff, but streetcar, you have to let everybody off and things. So I'm just here now, waiting to go to that. So I'm just waiting at King and Batters to go to Caravana. So let me do a little video. And you guys know what's happening. No lights and nothing, you don't need for that. So always good. E-bike. But I'm just waiting on this car right here. So I'm not gonna go too far. But it looks like one is coming up there. Let's see. So so when that comes, that's what I'm gonna jump on and then go down to Caravana. So just enjoy. Here it comes. That's the one I want. So jump up in it and that's not even the one because that's in over service. So that's not it. So just gonna keep waiting. It is hot as heck. So it's not really out piping, but it's still hot and nice. Still here waiting. I'm just trying to give you guys a nice little video on my way to Caravana. It's good? He's turning off. He's out of service. Another one down here. There's a lot of these little e-bike scooter thing I see about when they do food delivery or something like that. So let's park with my heavy on the Caravana too. And this is a lot of overhead wire. I've been down in this side for a minute. One more street car is coming up. Not much time. Hit it to them. That's the only thing I miss about downtown. That and the police and everything. Downtown, regular thing. So, and the streetcar is not coming anytime soon. And when it's coming, just enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, so where should I wait for you guys? At the corner? At the corner?